Hi everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm going to unbox this Figuarts Zero, Daki and Gyutaro. I just got it. So let's get moving, shall we? Okay, this is how the box look like. Actually recorded just the previous footage cannot use. So here we are, I've unboxed it. So it's empty now, but here's how the box look like. The cover art, beautiful cover art. You can see Daki here and her brother Gyutaro. Of course, there's Bandai and Tamashii Nation, so go lah. So it's a Figuarts, SHF Figuarts. This is how the figure look like. It's a statue, there's no articulation, remember. Yeah. This is how it looks like. Here. Shin. And the box art, look at this. Beautiful, the whole thing, the whole box actually. The whole box is the box art of the figure. The actual figure itself is not some animation, it's like actual figure itself. So you can see the figure actually very beautiful. Here, so you get another box art of the figure itself. Okay, this is how it looks like on the top. So you're supposed to open from the top, and they will give you two plastics, right? 1, 2, to hold Daki's cloth. She first used the cloth, and this is how the figure will look like inside. This is covered in this plastic. So the box is quite big, you need a storage space for this. Okay, this is a beautiful figure. I'm putting this on my sofa. It's a cushion sofa, and without the stand, right, is actually can stand without it actually nicely. The post actually stand without it nicely. And you can see let's go through the details, especially Daki's facial features. Let's zoom in. See, as a demon, right? You remember Daki has beautiful facial features. Oh, hold on. Okay. So you can see here these details. I actually like the face. Face is nicely done. Whenever I look at figures, right, if I'm paying, like, this is cost me about 470 excluding the courier fees. Whenever I pay this much, anything more than 200 or 300, anything more than 300, I think, I would expect a high quality figure to be delivered. And to me, high quality means that the features must be there. Accurate, anime accurate. Okay? You can see these, even her hairpin. Let me show you. The hairpin, the symbols also, I can see clearly. Yeah, can you see the symbols up there? The hairpin symbol. Even the symbols are nicely done. And, okay, here is her. Oh no. This is a light. Okay. This is her veins here, cracking veins. So you can see, when I zoom out, you can see her hair, her beautiful hair. And then the cloth that forms her blood demon art. This one is can bend a bit, but don't bend too much. I think it's going to break if you bend. The hair, beautiful. Okay, then this sickle, Gyutaro sickle. You can see her facial features, even her hand also. They got they did nicely. The extra veins to show in the hand. Of course, now we take a look at her brother, Gyutaro. The actual upper moon 6. Recall in the fight that these two have to be beheaded together for them to die, or else it won't. That's the reason. And this gentleman here, Gyutaro, is the reason they are feared. You can look at his facial features. The eyes, the features, the dark spots on his nose. All is nicely done. See? Okay.
of the step.
On his hands. Another thing, a lot of figures that don't get like is the hands, especially the fingers. You see these fingers? You can see that 5 fingers are very distinct. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers here. Okay, and you can see even on Daki's hand. Daki's hand, you see? This minute details is the one that you're paying for. The hands are nicely done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers and 5 fingers there. Look at this. Then you can see that this is his actually doing his blood demon art. And yeah, if you recall in the movies, his blood demon art, Gyutaro's blood demon art involved a sickle, and that's how he fight. So this is a better pose here in the sister.